A very good morning to you. Welcome to our Bird Notes. This is Dwight Davis. In high school, my English teacher would assign the class various questions to answer, presumably to develop our research abilities. As it happened, there was on the radio at the same time a program called Homework Hotline. As curious and quaint as that may sound in this time of Google. One evening, one of my classmates phoned in to the Homework Hotline a question that the teacher had posed, namely, which bird has the longest neck? The answer, readily supplied by Homework Hotline, and which several of us at home immediately copied down without questioning, was the crane. But which crane? And what about the ostrich? And what about the fact that the swan has more neck vertebrae than any other bird? Sometimes there is more than one correct answer to a question based on context and assorted variables. For example, the Arctic tern is, by consensus, the bird that undertakes the longest migration, usually given as some 22,000 miles round trip. But then the lesser golden plover probably makes the longest uninterrupted flight. But now let's factor in size. Recent information published in Biology Letters and summarized in Natural History magazine suggests that the northern wheatear may now lay claim to part of the title. The wheatear is a small bird in the thrush family, rarely seen in the eastern U.S. It's about 5.5 inches long, the male showing a grayish back, tan underparts, black mask and wings, and a conspicuous white rump. It is this latter that gives the bird its name, which has nothing to do with grain or with ears, but is derived from Anglo-Saxon meaning white-rumped. It has been found, by way of some ingenious technical scientific investigation, that the wheatear has the stamina to travel up to 9,000 miles each way between its Arctic nesting grounds in Canada and Alaska and its wintering grounds in Africa. Relative to size, this is one of the farthest recorded migrations. The bird weighs about an ounce, 1 ounce, and it flies 9,000 miles one way over land and open ocean to migrate. The reputed long-distance champ, the Arctic tern, weighs 3 to 4 times as much, but it doesn't fly much farther than the diminutive wheatear. So let's give the wheatear some recognition when we talk about long-distance migration. The little fellow certainly deserves it.